Faceless YouTube channels are taking off, drawing in thousands of views with fascinating fact-based videos. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to create this kind of content in 5 minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. We're going to be creating fact shorts videos, diving into topics like the wonders of space, the secrets of our planet, and the marvels of the human body, all without ever being on camera. Ready to start your own facts channel? The first step is to go to any browser and search for ChatGPT. Once it opens, enter a prompt to generate facts. You can use this prompt. I want to create a facts channel. Please give me 20 facts related to animals, the human body, countries, and continents. Just hit enter on your keyboard. This prompt will be in the description, so feel free to copy and paste. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to Canva. If you are new to the platform, sign up using your Google account. Now moving on, in the search box, type in YouTube Shorts and make sure that you choose a blank page. Or even if you choose a template, you have to delete everything from it. We'll use a similar format to popular channels that helps accelerate growth. Click on Elements on the left side of the page, add a square shape, and position it at the bottom. Then, add a text box. Return to ChatGPT, copy the first fact, and paste it into the text box in Canva. Format the text by centering it, and adjust the font style and color to your preference. Add a rectangle shape. Position it in the center and slightly overlapping the square. Then add a text box on the rectangle and type, "Did you know?" To add an image, search for frames in the Elements tab and position a frame above the "Did you know?" text. Determine the topic of the fact, then go to Pixels to find a relevant image. For example, if the fact is about lions, search for lions on Pixels, download the image, and upload it to Canva. Drag the image into the frame. Now you've created the first fact video slide. To complete the video, duplicate the slide, change the image and fact text, and repeat this process to reach the desired number of facts. To add finishing touches, insert transitions between the slides and add background music by searching Music in the Elements tab or importing your own music from your device. Finally, download the video. Click on the Share button, then click Download. If you want to create consistent images using free AI tools, check out this video. Don't just watch this video. Take action now. In the months to come, you'll start seeing massive views, and you'll be on your way to earning on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel for more great content, and if this video was helpful, give it a like. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.